Hello everyone, Mr. Kloss here. I just wanted to show you a quick video on what it looks like to play hot cross buns on the flute. So what I want to talk about first of all is how we get a sound on the head joint. So some of us, obviously being early on, all right, have been practicing how to get a sound on just the head joint by blowing the air straight across the hole, and then that's going to make a sound sort of like a train whistle. If you press here and put your hand on the side of the circle, it makes a little bit of a lower sound. So that is a really good thing to do first before we even try to do any playing. All right, then when you put your instrument together, all right, we get our fingers in the right spot, okay? So we have our thumb in the back, press right there. All right, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, pinky. All right, now for this song, Hot Cross Buns, it starts on D. All right, then it moves to C, then it moves to B flat. All right, so we're gonna play through Hot Cross Buns nice and slowly so you can see and hear what it looks like. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest, rest. Rest, rest. Rest, rest. All right, so use that to help you when you play this week because number 17 is one of our homework songs. All right, have a great week of practicing, everyone.